Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a time to show a notification when there are all-day reminders with no specified time on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Reminders. Next, scroll down and tap on Today Notifications. Make sure it is turned on. Then you can tap on the time to set a time for notification. So I'm going to set it at 10 a.m. and that will allow me to show notification when there are all-day reminders with no time, with no specified time. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.